All right. When delicate woods break, here's a really good solution for you. I've repaired the top with fiberglass and 5-minute epoxy. Here's the other piece right down here. There's a silicone pad down low that stops this from getting on the floor. I bring up this piece, made it all together. Make sure it's clean when you do this. And then around that zone, I need to just be careful with the amount of epoxy that I put on there, because this is about to get really interesting, because we'll use fiberglass now. This is a boat builder's technique that I learned years ago. And anyways, it works like a charm. Fiberglass. You bring it up, it's pre-cut, and I want this part up to wrap around this post. It needs glue on it as well. And I have learned that not all 5-minute epoxies are created equally. Do your test, figure out which ones you like the best, that cure out thoroughly, but do mix them the right way, which is 50-50. Make sure you get them thoroughly mixed, otherwise they will not do the job for you. So that's good. That's up and around like that. And that's in. And that's tight. That's where I want it. And I just press this in. You cannot do this without really good gloves. And I'll work this in and let it completely cure and sand it lightly, and it will be a fix for the ages. That will never break again. But that looks really good. I need a little bit more glue right there in that spot. And you have just enough time to do it. And also, if you need to repair stretchers going into legs, the Chair Doctor by Brewax is a great thing that you can get from Woodcraft. Someone asked me recently, where do I get all my supplies? And it's Woodcraft, because they always have them. So that's a good repair. I'll work this all in tight, let it cure out, sand, and I'll be done. Don't give up on a piece of wood, whatever you do. That's a good web extra for you.